Hi all. So today we are going to discuss about that subject related to logistics and supply chain management, fundamentals of shipping. So shipping is very important. Why are ships are important? Because ships have been the leaders in transportation and are the safest and fastest way of transporting goods from one place to another. Shipping plays a vital role in world trade and is the backbone of the world economy. If you compare to that airways, roadways, and seaways, the best seaways. So, what are the classification of ships we are going to discuss? A vessel can be classified according to the purpose of the serve. Merchant ship, assistant and service, also called special purpose vessel. Fishing vessel, that is a fisherman. Peacekeeping, that is a warship. So, what are the types of ships? Merchant ships. Merchant ships are vessels that are designed to transport cargo or on passengers. They are classified as liners or tramps. Next, general cargo ship. General cargo ships carry everything from cut timber to heavy machinery. If you take it's a cargo means they are taking the huge machineries. So that's why we are saying it's a cargo. Tankers, liquid bulk tankers, gas tankers. Liquid bulk tankers, it's a liquid bulk tanker carry liquid chemicals or different sorts of oil. Gas tankers, this kind of ships carry liquefied natural gas, that is LNG. Special tanks that are shaped like circle. Container ships are specifically designed for carrying their cargo in containers. And roll on, roll off ships also there. Roll on, roll off cargo ships transport cars, trailers, and trucks also we are going to transport. Dry bulk carriers. The term dry bulk means any non-liquid cargo in large amount such as grain, ore, cement, or shredded timber. So these are the things we are going to take. Dry bulk carriers. Coasters. A coaster carries cargo along the coast or on sea voyages. Refrigerated cargo vessels, that is, we are saying that reefers. Refrigerated cargo vessels are ships that carry perishable cargo such as meat or fruit. LAS vessels. LAS stands for lighter aboard ship. A LAS vessel has a main deck that is flat. The deck means that is a flat and without any obstacles. A lighter is a container that floats in the water. Timber carriers. Timber is a raw material from which wood products are manufactured. Vessels that carry timber can easily be recognized by their tall derricks. Multipurpose vessels. Cargo ships that carry both general cargo, bulk cargo, and containerized cargo are called multipurpose or multi-loads vessels. Passenger ship, everyone know about that. Passenger ship. Passenger ships are mainly designed to carry passenger and include cruise ships and ferries. Assistance and service. Vessels that render assistance and service have been designed to perform specific tasks, for example, assisting other vessels or providing special services to navigation. Fishing vessels. Fishing vessels are capable of catching and processing enormous quantities of fish. So in every sea we are seeing that fishing vessels is only capable of that catching and processing enormous quantities of fish through a net. Warship. A warship is a naval ship primarily intended for naval warfare. So what is the conclusion for this shipping? There are several ships that change according to their characteristics in performing tasks at sea, and the ships are on the path of development thanks to science, discoveries, and modern experiences. So, still now we have discussed about the shipping, why ships are important, as well as many types of ships we discussed.